Let's look at this question. In the figure given below, PQRS is a quadrilateral with PQ being equal to QS. Okay, so this line is equal to this line, okay, which is equal to PR. So this line is also equal to this line. Okay, the measure of PTS is equal to 107. By what measure is the angle TPS, this angle, less than TRQ? TRQ, okay, this angle. Okay, we are supposed to find out the difference between these two angles. Okay, now given that we are supposed to find out what is the measure by which TPS is less than TRQ, it effectively means you can have multiple values for the angles, the difference will remain constant, which is another trigger for saying you can assume any values for these angles and your answer will remain the same. So I'm going to do it first using my method of assuming any values, and then I'll do it the proper way, the technical way that people tend to approach this. So if this is 107, this is also 107. If this is 107, this is also 107. Now I can take any angles here and here. So I'm taking here, say 40. So remaining was supposed to be 73. This is 40. This is 33. Also for triangle PQR, TR is equal to PQ. So if this is 40, this will be 7. This will be 7. This angle will be 73. This angle will be 73. So QPT will be equal to 100. Not a problem. QPT will be equal to 100. Okay. Now look at triangle QPS. If this is 7, if this is 7, this angle and this QPS angle, QSE and QPS, they are supposed to be equal. So if 7 is 1, 173 is left. 173. So 173 divided by how much? 2. So it will give me 86.5. So this entire angle is supposed to be 86.5, or this angle is supposed to be minus 13.5 now. See, I'm reaching minus 13.5. I'm reaching minus 13.5. Okay, and I'm still okay with it because now finally I needed difference between this angle and 40. So 40 minus 13.5, sorry, minus of minus 13.5 is equal to 53.5, which should be the answer here. Now let me try to do this question technically, and you will see the answer will not change regardless of me having assumed values initially. Something like this, something like this. This was 107, this was 73, this is 107. So I'll take this angle as A, I'll take this angle as A. This angle here will be how much? 107A, so this will be 73 minus A. Additionally, what do I know? These two angles are supposed to be equal. So if this angle, this entire thing is supposed to be A, this angle should be 2A minus 73. This is P, this is Q, this is T, this is R, this is S. Now if this is 2A minus 73, this is 173. This will be 180 minus 2A. Fine. Now this angle and this entire angle are supposed to be equal. These two angles are supposed to be equal. So they will be 180 minus, look at triangle PQS, minus 2A minus 73. This entire thing divided by 2. From 180 you remove these two angles, or you remove this angle and divide it by 2 to get the measure of this entire thing, which will come out to be 180 plus 73. Ooh. So I get 253 minus 2A by 2, or 126.5 minus A. This entire angle is now 126.5 minus A. So this angle alone, this one here alone, TPS would be 126.5 minus A minus 180 plus 2A, or the difference between them. How much do I get here? Uh, 53.5 plus A. So this angle here is 53.5 plus A. This angle is A. The difference between them will again be 53.5. Now see, this is slightly more cumbersome to work with because there are variables involved. If you had simply assumed values, even if you get a negative value, that doesn't really matter because what you needed was just the difference. You're not expected to find the precise value here. The answer will continue to remain 53.5.